It's built with a durable steel construction with either a chrome or black finish, and it includes adjustable leveling feet for uneven surfaces. Hey everyone, today I'll be looking at the Amazon Basics 5-shelf adjustable and heavy-duty storage shelving unit. These shelves are constructed with alloy steel and serve as a perfect storage solution for your kitchen, office, garage, or any other space that needs a bit more organization. Each shelf can hold up to 350 pounds when evenly distributed, which makes the total maximum load weight 1,750 pounds. The wire shelves are adjustable in 1-inch increments, and there's no tools required, so it's really easy to customize. It's built with a durable steel construction with either a chrome or black finish, and it includes adjustable leveling feet for uneven surfaces. If you need dimensions, these shelves are 36 inches long, 14 inches wide, and 72 inches tall. Overall, I recommend this Amazon Basics adjustable shelving unit for anyone who is looking for additional storage in their kitchen, office, garage, or any other space that could benefit from a bit more organization.